Hi, this is Joy Acharya from Kolkata. So before I start, I would like to thank Zoomin for making me part of this podcast initiative. Let me introduce myself. So I am an IT professional and I work from Pune, but I am originally from Kolkata. Among my different hobbies, the first and the foremost is photography. Uh, I think I started to interact with Zoom. I created my first login in the year around 2010. That's when I first ordered some product from Zoom, and it was a photo book actually. I still have a copy of that. This is the one. This is the book I actually ordered. All these photos were shot by me, and the book actually turned out to be really well. Obviously, that time during 2010, too many online platforms were not there. These online photo prints are also not that common, and obviously the mobile app era was not there. So it was the classic web platform, and I did order. This was my first order from Zoom, and that's in 2010. And it's a long way. Like I still order all my prints from Zoom only. I guess. Last year also I ordered around 30 prints of photographs shot by me. Talking about the Zoom in platform, yeah, I do like it a lot, and I have used the all the platforms I guess, and it's gone through a lot of makeover, like from 2010 onwards till now. I think last year the site was completely revamped. Along with that, the mobile apps were also there, from where you can actually upload your photos for printout and order it from there. But yes, the web platform is more versatile, and that is what is technically expected. Uh, it is quite user friendly. It is good, and I have tried all different kind of products and ordering it or customize it over that new platforms, and it all felt good. Only thing I can say here is the best thing about photos is like that it helps you to travel back in time, right, and leave your memoirs, right, times which you have already spent. That is the only way. I mean, bottom line, photos are the only time machine we have, and the best way to achieve that is by taking a printout of the photos you shot, right. It always have an aesthetic as well as an emotional quotient and an emotional feel, right. So being an old schooler, I would always like to take a print. Maybe not all. Obviously, you need to select the best ones from the lot. But yeah, I'll definitely go for a printout, or creating an album, or creating some framed photos itself. I'll always go for it. Um, I have almost ordered, I guess, everything. If it is a square print or Polaroid framing or even canvas print. I have ordered magnets also. I have ordered large collage prints, large format 1280 uh, prints also, even 810, 46, everything I guess. And yeah, I do most of this. I mean, obviously not for myself. I did order all this and then gifted to many of my friends and relatives. And frankly speaking, they liked a lot actually, because if you give this kind of photos or this kind of gifts to someone, it always have a personal touch, a human feel in it, an emotional feel in it. And I have never heard from anyone, or I have never received feedback on any negative feedback, I would say, on any of the Zoom In products that I have used till now. Probably now with the mobile phone era, I think I shoot every day. But yes, I am not that kind of a person who will shoot immediately and just upload it on Instagram or on any other site. I would rather go through them carefully. I would rather scan those, take my own time, and then accordingly decide like which one are the best one to actually take a printout or upload. So yes, I am very much selective about my photos. I do not actually upload everything that I should. My preferred product from Zoom In will always be a photo book or one of those magnets. I rather prefer those magnets actually at 469, which you can actually use as a frame also. You can put it in a frame and keep it just as a simple photo frame photo, or you can just actually put it on any freeze door or any other metallic doors. I do will always prefer that magnet thing, and then maybe the photo books. Those are the things I prefer. Selfie person, no, I am not much of a selfie person. I did try it, but I think I am not good at taking selfies. Even if I take, it will be mostly black and white, because I think that is where it sometimes actually comes out good. But yes, I do like to take natural portraits of people around, my friends, my relatives. So it will be always like I'll be always preferring to take photos from others rather than taking a selfie and posting it every now and then. I normally am regular in posting on Instagram, but the photos you see are mostly gone through a long scan process. What I like about Zoom In, I think all. I mean all the points. Be it print quality, I have never till now at least I have never received any bad quality prints or something that I am not satisfied with. The ordering, yes, it's easy to order online. It's very easy. The online editor also create photo books. Those are pretty simple and anyone can actually do it. I mean, you do not need that kind of designer expertise to handle that. So that also is a very very good part actually. The way the things get delivered, I mean, it is pretty fast, and not only fast, then how the entire thing is handled, the packaging, the logistics, everything I still now felt it's very nice. All the products that are been sent to the customers, those are properly packed and care been taken so that the product reaches the customer safely. So yes, I mean it's pretty good. I mean I do not have any negative feedback actually for Zoom In at this stage. And the recommendation, yes, I mean obviously I'll recommend that. And not only yes, I am been recommending Zoom In to all my friends. Many of my friends actually got printout from Zoom In. They are happy with it. Great. So they really took printout, and many of my friends are now kind of regular customer in Zoom In site. So yeah, it's pretty good, pretty well. That's all I can say at this stage. So okay, so that's all. I think I pretty much covered all the points that I can say about Zoom In. Yeah, I mean a very very big thank you from my side to all of you for making me a part of this podcast initiative. And All the best to all the Zumin team members who are doing a fantastic work and will continue to do so. That's all from my end. And in this current situation, I would only like to say stay home, stay safe, and keep yourself healthy. That's all. All the best.